What's up, guys? It's 4th of July weekend. I'm back with another video. I'm super pumped about today's video. I finally bought something I wanted forever. It's one of the suction cup flag poles for the back of your truck, your tailgate, or your window, or whatever. These two suction cups just stick to any smooth surface, and then you screw down these clamps to the pole and then the other end of the flag. I'm going to show you how it works right now on the Duramax. So to install it, put it up against the glass, give it a push, and then pump these suction cups down. After you've done that, if you still see the white right here, you need to pump it more. Otherwise, it's meaning it's not got the best seal against the glass or the paint. And then I like to periodically tighten these screws that hold the flag down, because they seem to loosen up over time. But yeah, there it is. I love the way it looks. I think it looks way better than the ones that go on the hitch. I tried it on the tailgate earlier, but I didn't like it the way it looked as much as I do against the back window. These are like 120 bucks, which might seem kind of crazy when you can make one for, 10 bucks yourself from the hardware store. But I'll include some footage of me driving with it. But I love the way it looks. I've gotten some compliments on it already. I think it's probably the best flag holder for the money. It's the 4th of July, and the 24th is coming up here in Utah. It's just Pioneer Day, so I'm going to run it for that too. Yeah, pretty excited. Give you a shot from the front. Comment below, let me know what you think. I'll put a link in the description for anybody that's interested in buying one. Oh, and to get it off, I have heard there's a button somewhere. I don't know if this is it. I tried pushing on that and I couldn't get it to do anything. So to get it off, I just peel it at the edge of the cup and it just comes right off. The only thing I don't like is it seems like it'd be pretty easy to steal, but well, that's really the company's fault. But if I leave the truck somewhere, I usually pop it off and throw it in the back seat. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you guys are excited about the flagpole as I am. I think it looks pretty awesome. I might end up getting a second one and running it on the other side of the glass, or two of them on the tailgate or something. Let me know what you guys think about that. Please comment, rate, subscribe. I'm still trying to get to the 1,000 subscriber mark. I think I'm at like 250 or something right now as of the making of this video. Thanks for watching. See ya.